So how do you check the live location on the iPhone? Well, obviously, if it's just the location of your iPhone, you can open up the maps like Google Maps or Apple Maps and check out the current location. So you'll be able to see on the map where you actually happen to be at the moment. If it doesn't work, make sure you open up the settings and check out the privacy and security section where location services can be found. And you need to ensure that the location services are turned on, right? So you can actually track your location. And also specifically some apps below like the Google Maps or Apple Maps, ensure that they as well have access to the location of your device. Either choose it while using the app or always depending on your preference. Then the maps will be able to display your current location on the map. Another possibility or an option you have is to check out what's called Find My application, where you can track the location of your devices, items, and even other people. But in there, you can also see the Me section in the bottom right, and you can see that you can start sharing your location and have access to it right there. So this is like a general tool for tracking location of not just your current iPhone, but some of your friends or even other devices if you have any available. So this is just a guide which I have for you. If you need some in-depth video, let me know about that below. Chances are I'll make another tutorial because I publish a lot of them. So yeah, most definitely stay tuned and subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. Thanks a lot and I'll catch you later.